Welcome back in HTML 5.2 tutorial series.
Let's begin.
In lecture 1 we will discuss about the history of HTML. And we are sure, after this lecture you will be able to describe HTML history in detail. Let's start.
The term HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the standard markup language for creating web pages and web applications. According to Wikipedia, in 1980, physicist Tim Berners-Lee, a contractor of CERN, proposed a prototype Inquire, a system for CERN researchers to use and share documents.
Who is that Tim Berners-Lee?
He is computer scientist and engineer, but best known as inventor of World Wide Web. He was born on July 8, 1955 in England.
When he invented World Wide Web.
In 1989 Berners-Lee wrote a memo proposing an internet-based hypertext system. Berners-Lee specified HTML and wrote the browser and server software in late 1990.
But CERN not formally adopted.
Oh yes. After so much struggle, HTML was initially released by W3C and WHATWG. W3C stands for World Wide Web Consortium. W3C is the main international standards organization of the World Wide Web, founded and led by Tim Berners-Lee. As of September 24, 2017, the World Wide Web Consortium has 463 members. Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group, WHATWG, is a community of people interested in involving HTML and related technologies. HTML also became an international standard, ISO, in 2000 AD. SGML stands for Standard Generalized Markup Language. It's a standard markup language to describe documents' structure. SGML is also called the mother language of HTML. And GML, Generalized Markup Language, is the mother language of SGML. It's enough for this lecture. Hope you don't get bored. For any help please place your question in comment section below.
Please subscribe Matrix for more interesting tutorials. See you soon.
Stay tuned.